Welcome to our Spring AI classes. In our previous videos, we have learned what are the different AI models and how we can connect with Spring AI. Today, we'll learn one more model, which is Google Vertex API. There are different models which I already learned, like Amazon Bedrock, then Microsoft one, Azure one, along with OpenAI, DeepSeek. The same way, Google Vertex API. What is Google Vertex AI API? Same like other models, it also provides high quality custom machine learning models with minimal machine learning expertise and effort. If you want to connect with LLMs, we don't need to be that much expertise. What is LLM, how it will work. Just we know if we learn about how it will work. Spring AI provides integration with Vertex API through the following clients. If you see Vertex AI API, this is the API usage overview. It will provide an overview of using the Vertex AI API and its reference documentation. Through REST, gRPC and client libraries, it will provide and we can connect from Spring API. Same way, what is Vertex Gemini chart, which I already told. It allows developers to build generative AI applications using the Gemini model. The Vertex Gemini API supports multimodal prompts as input and output text or code. A multimodal model is a model that is capable of processing information from multiple modalities, include like images, videos, and text. For example, if we send a photo of a plate of cookies and ask it give you a receipt for those cookies. Gemini is a family of generative AI models developed by Google DeepMind. So it will give the description for that image. So to integrate with Spring AI along with Gemini, what we have to do? First, we need to install the G-Cloud CLI appropriate for our OS. Then we need to set the project ID like this. Go G-Cloud config set project ID, and G-Cloud authentication application default login to our account. Once that's done, as usual, we have to add dependency in the Maven or Gradle. Once we done that, these are the different properties like other models properties, which model we are enabling, and what is the project ID, what is the Gemini location, there is the region. Since we are going to use the cloud one, so we have to provide the region, credentials, URI, Vertex Gemini endpoint, transport, which transport like a REST we have to use or gRPC we need to provide. These are the other properties where you can go through each and every property. So this is the main important which model we are, because DeepMind will have different models where Gemini 2.0 Flash Pro preview. These models we need to configure which model we are going to use it for our application. These are the different properties for different requirement we can configure here. So here they mentioned Vertex AI Gemini chart options Java provides model configurations such as temperature, the top. Okay. If you see here, chart response, Vertex Gemini options dot builder. This is the model. The next tool calling we have implemented weather service in this. So get the weather in location. If you provide the CTR location, then it will give the weather of that particular location. Same way, different description. You can pause the values dynamically. I already explained multimodal. What is multimodal? If you text, PDF, images, audio, different formats it will take and it will provide the results. Google Gemini AI model support this capability by comprehending and integrating text, code, audio, images, and video. Spring AI message interface supports multimodal AI models by introducing the media type. MIME type we have to provide. See here we are passing the image and here we are asking what, explain what do you see in this picture. Vertex test PNG and the PDF also same way. Here we need to mention a MIME type application PDF. This is the sample controller. Once we configure in application properties, these are the main properties which is required. One is project ID and location, and then a model, temperature. How much accurate we need to get the output. So this is a Gemini chat model. It will generate stream, manual configuration. Already explained. Pom.xml we need to configure that. Here through programmatically added model name and the temperature, or we have to retrieve from the property file. So this is a low level Java client. This is diagram of Vertex API and Java API. This about the Vertex Gemini integrate with Spring AI. From next class, we'll check out how Grok. Most of the models are same configuration. Like we have to create the key and we have to configure that key and we have to use which model. We need to configure which model we are going to use it. These are the details. But only difference is pom.xml, the respective model dependency we need to add it. So that's how it will work. Thank you. Have a nice day.